I have an easy repair I'm going to take you guys through. This is a 66,000 mile Hyundai from 2009. Could be a 2010 by the production date also. The catalytic converter was stolen above me, and I'm showing you how I'm repairing it without replacing the whole exhaust system. This is the most affordable repair that you can do to your exhaust system if someone steals a component off of it. And you'll see here that we have very creative ways of keeping the cost down and providing you with a high quality repair. All right, let's get at it. Let's get at it. If you were a fly on the wall in the office for the phone calls Rachel was taking today, and she said, "Oh my God, I just can't believe the nonsense." I thought today was going to be an easy day. All right, so what I'm doing is the last person welding, which was Jude, was struggling, so I had to show him that there's an adjustment in the welder when you're welding crappy exhaust system together when the customer declines, fixing it 100% the right way. And what was happening is Jude was burning through the pipe, and it's not Jude's fault, it's the customer's fault. We told you the car needs a whole system. And then we offered the minimum repair without a guarantee on it. That's what you get. If it falls off in a couple weeks, you should have fixed it right the first time. So what happens is when a welder says it's burning through, it's quality of material issues. Your welders can only do so much. It's the material you're working with, and that's the way it goes. So anyway, let's get this fired up. So Jude was on a setting that I don't prefer to use unless I'm having a problem with the material because of the age of it. So a lot of people don't realize these people when they come in, and like the Ford Escape, the guy was talking all this shit to me at the counter about his exhaust, and all I said is, you have no friggin' idea what you're talking about. You're asking me to patch up your exhaust system for you, put a piece in all this rotted out shit. That ain't how it works, dude. I have to be able to weld to what you're asking me for, because you're not asking me, "Hi, I'm here to replace my whole exhaust system. Just call me and let me know what it costs." No, I'm here to get a Band-Aid or a weld or some super glue. So I was being nice with my mouth. In my mind, I was like, silence. What the customers don't realize is the metal is so contaminated that it makes it impossible sometimes for guys without skill to weld it. I don't care how much you grind it, how much you do this, how much you do that. There is porosity in the metal that creates problems. Novice welders have the most issues. High experienced welders won't weld with garbage materials, or even garbage argon, or filler wire. So right now, I'm not prepping this metal, I'm just glazing it right in, and then I'll show you the finished product. A lot of customers don't realize, they don't know what a good pipe looks like versus a bad pipe. All they hear is, "I don't want to spend any money in their head." And it's always something simple. It's not. It's never anything simple. This is simple for me. And the conditions of this metal that I'm working with versus the metal that I was working with on the other car, because the other Ford Escape had 60,000 miles on it too, around the same years. Depends on the environment it was subjected to. This really isn't too bad under here. And I'm burning right through all the contamination. And how I do that is with high heat. You just have to know how to work with certain things. And then certain materials are miserable to work with. Hey. Whoa!
Yo, what up?
I didn't even know they would let you come across the bridge and see me.
I'm going back down the street to the market.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's why I said I could drop it off.
Thank you, sir. I see how you take care of them, but you don't take care of me.
Oh,
having technical difficulties. High heat causes problems, so I had to just listen to the parts guy and fix the welder. I don't know why I had an issue there, but that's the way it goes sometimes. I'm doing a video. I'm fixing the car, talking to you, and doing a video at the same time.
Oh, yeah?
Thank you. Oh, come on. Too much heat. I'm gonna have to slow it down. I don't wanna. I'm overheating the tip and the wire, and it's binding. You could use a little less heat. Oh. Stay together. Stay together. Shazam. Alright, so I just wanted to show you this 7-minute video of fixing the catalytic converter. Thanks for watching. Please like, share.